Guys, watch this video and see the transformation of this relaxed hair installed into Micro Locs, the transformation, and see just 2 years after what it looked like. The results will wow you. So this was the start of the interlocking. We did interlocking and you saw how I sectioned the hair before here, and now this is what it looks like.
History's flare through every twist, hope and care. Reattach them all. She wore her crown made of melody threads, years of stories woven into her dress. Cut them off, but they didn't go. Black growth rises, a new tale to show. In the mirror, I see her past, in strands of strength that always last. Fasten the old to the new roots. Her spirit sings, never mute. Essence of the locks, in every twist my heart unlocks. Tales of love, trials and knots. She's a queen, can't be forgot. Locks of wisdom, history's flare through every twist, hope and care. Reattach the moments gone, black and strong, life moves on. Shedding but holding tight, in a crown, strength and might. Old and new dance into, underneath the same moon. Essence of the locks, in every twist my heart unlocks. Tales of love, trials and knots. She's a queen, can't be forgot. Essence of her locks, in every twist my heart unlocks. Tales of love, trials and knots. She's a queen, can't be forgot. She wore her crown made of melody threads, years of stories woven into her dress. Cut them off, but they didn't go. Black growth rises, a new tale to show. In the mirror, I see her.